good morning. That was my bed. A little bit cold. It's 8 a.m. Let's go explore Barcelona. Welcome to my channel. I sleep at the airport. Hey. Bus to Barcelona, cheapest way to get here. And my vlog is not gonna see like top 10 things to do in Barcelona. I'm just gonna show you my day, why this is my favorite town in Europe. Weather, the architecture, the people, my favorite hostel. That's Barcelona. That's the spot. I couldn't even see Sagrada Familia from here. It's mind-blowing. Need to be careful with leaving my tripod like that, you know. Barcelona, it's beautiful, but people like to steal sometimes. Let's go. Went here to see this viewpoint, but it's okay. It's the airport. Barcelona, mamma mia. Not even one cloud. What I'm even saying. I need to have like zoom lens for viewpoints. Oh my god, look who's gonna be here. Barcelona beach. Lucky Spanish people. Volleyball. What I would do today in Poland. Volleyball. One of my favorite views in Barcelona. Great place to run, ride a bike, police. Love Barcelona. This is it, my favorite outdoor gym in Europe. Architecture like this. Could live in this apartment close to the beach. Swim every day, run every day. That might end up really bad. Something about this architecture that I really like. Christmas market. Oh, found the best picture. So many people. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna check out the Christmas market. There's so many people. Hey, that's stupid what I'm doing right now. Someone can grab my phone, but that's like the busiest street, Barcelona, La Rambla. People are watching me what I'm doing right now, and I don't care that much. I still care, but most of the people I'm never gonna see again in my life. So why not just film myself in public? Now, hostel, which I paid 22 euro for a day. I have a quest to film some drone shots in Barcelona. Streets like this one. Love them. Sagrada Familia, Duomo, Milan, Budapest, Parliament, and this. Breathtaking. I heard there should be finished like soon, but this tower in the middle should be like much longer. Such a good spot for a picture, but just historically. Not bad. This is the view that I'm thinking about, but from the air. There's a long street, and at the end of the street is Sagrada Familia. That might be the shot. Wow. That's a not bad viewpoint. Some Spanish boys. I want to grab my phone. Best viewpoint in, I think, in Europe. You will see. It's called bunkers. Even believe this? Wow. Wow. This is mental. One of the reasons why I love this town. Barcelona. Beautiful hike here. I'll try to fly. Best town in Europe. What do you think? The colors right now. For a place like this, I want to have a better camera, like a nice zoom. This place gave me so much motivation to buy a new camera. Time to go to job, like a loan or steal. I cannot stop filming this. Don't worry, I'm gonna play some classic music. There are more bunkers. It's a pretty big spot. Come on. "5:30 p.m. police." Yes, they close it. Time to go. Everyone is leaving. Okay, it's getting dark. So I'm gonna go to hostel, eat something and edit. This is something. Oh, the road is closed. Perfect. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed it. Come on, the Santa Clauses are driving on motorcycles. See you tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna film in hostel. Usually people don't really watch my traveling videos. I don't have a idea for them. I just film whatever I feel like. It's not good.